friends, in today's video we'll see one of the important features in Excel, that is inserting comment. Now we have a table here and I will amend one of these numbers. I want to let others know that I have amended this number, so that I will just right click on that particular cell and click on insert comment. Now friends, if you go to the particular cell, the time the comment will be showing who has updated this particular number. If you want to keep this comment continuously, you can go and click on this show or hide comment, so that if you click anywhere, the comment will be reflecting for that particular cell. If not, if you want to delete this comment, so that you can just right click on that particular cell, you can edit the comment or you can delete the comment. In case if you want to copy paste the above comment to some other cell, what you can do is you can copy and come to the particular cell, click on Alt ES, click on comments and OK. Now you can see the same comment has been updated in these two cells. That's it guys. Thanks for watching.